Shein Wallet, also called Shein Balance or Shein Credit, lets you store funds for faster, sometimes discounted checkout on Shein.com or the Shein app. You can add money via bank card, PayPal, or other methods, then use it to pay for orders, fully or partially. Steps to use: Shein Wallet at checkout. Add funds to Shein Wallet. If not already loaded, open the Shein app or go to Shein.com and log in. Tap the Me icon, bottom right, Wallet or Shein Wallet. Select Add Funds or Recharge. Choose amount, options like $10, $20, $50, etc. Pay with credit, debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or other available methods. Funds appear instantly in your Shein Wallet balance. Shop and checkout with Shein Wallet. Add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the payment page, look for Payment Method or Pay with Shein Wallet. If your wallet has enough balance, it will show as an option, often pre-selected or at the top. Choose Shein Wallet. You may see your available balance displayed. If the order total is higher than your balance, select another payment method for the remaining amount, for example, card or PayPal. Review order, tap Place, Order, or Pay Now.